Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share with you some top meal prep tips that will help you stay focused and successful throughout your week. The first tip is to plan your meals in advance. Take some time at the beginning of the week to decide what you'll be eating each day. This will not only save you time during the week, but also help you make healthier choices. Next, make sure to cook in bulk. Instead of preparing meals one by one, cook larger portions that you can divide into containers for the week. This way, you'll have ready-to-eat meals that you can grab on busy days. By following these meal prep tips, you'll be able to stay focused and energized throughout your week, setting yourself up for success in all areas of your life. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to achieving your goals. So, take some time to plan and prep your meals, and watch how it positively impacts.
Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I'm here to share with you my top 5 discipline tips for amazing under-eye care hacks. So, let's dive right in. First things first, staying hydrated and getting enough sleep are key to achieving healthy under-eyes. Remember, beauty starts from within. Next, make sure to protect your delicate under-eye area from the sun by wearing sunglasses and applying sunscreen daily. This simple step can prevent premature aging and dark circles. Lastly, incorporating a jade roller into your skincare routine can help reduce puffiness and improve circulation under the eyes. It's a relaxing and effective way to pamper your skin. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to taking care of your under eyes. So, stay disciplined and you'll see amazing results in no time. Uplifting ending sentence, here's to glowing and radiant under eyes. Love yourself, inside and out. Sparkling heart hush under eye care hacks hush skincare tips hush self-love.
Hey beautiful souls, today we're going to talk about busting beauty myths and why confidence can break quickly. First off, let's discuss the myth that beauty equals perfection. In a world where flawless images fill our screens, it's easy to feel inadequate. But remember, beauty comes in all shapes, sizes, and imperfections. Embrace your uniqueness and remember that confidence shines brightest when you embrace your true self. Now, let's tackle the myth that beauty is skin deep. While taking care of your skin and appearance is important, true beauty radiates from within. Your confidence, kindness, and authenticity are what truly make you beautiful. Don't let society's narrow definition of beauty dim your light. So, remember, beauty myths are just that, myths. Your confidence is powerful and can break through any barriers that try to hold you back. Embrace who you are, inside and out, and let your confidence shine through. You are beautiful just the way you are. Uplifting ending, you are enough. You are beautiful and you are worthy. Embrace your uniqueness and let your confidence break through any beauty myths that try to hold you back. Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I want to share with you a powerful tool to boost your confidence and enhance your beauty from within. It all starts with a mindful beauty mindset guide. The first step in cultivating a mindful beauty mindset is to practice self-love and acceptance. Embrace your unique features and flaws, for they make you one of a kind. Remember, true beauty radiates from the inside out. Next, shift your focus from comparing yourself to others to celebrating your own beauty journey. Each day, take a moment to appreciate something you love about yourself, whether it's your sparkling eyes or infectious smile. By incorporating these mindful beauty mindset practices into your daily routine, you'll not only boost your confidence but also nourish your soul. Remember, you are worthy, you are enough, and you are beautiful just the way you are. Uplifting ending sentence. Embrace your uniqueness and let your inner beauty shine bright. You are a masterpiece in the making. Sparkling heart # mindful beauty mindset guide # confidence boost. Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I want to share with you some natural self-esteem techniques to boost your skin detox and make you feel amazing inside and out. Firstly, practicing mindfulness and deep breathing can help reduce stress levels, which in turn can improve your skin's health. When you take the time to relax and center yourself, you are allowing your body to detoxify and rejuvenate naturally. Next, incorporating a healthy diet rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals can do wonders for your skin. Foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds can help nourish your skin from the inside out, giving you a radiant glow. Remember, taking care of your skin is not just about using skincare products, but also about nurturing your self-esteem and practicing self-love. By embracing these natural techniques, you can boost your skin detox and enhance your overall well-being. So go ahead, pamper yourself and let your inner beauty shine through. You deserve to feel confident and beautiful every day. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to love yourself unapologetically. You are amazing just the way you are. Sparkling heart.